Hey everyone, welcome to Fain Park. If you haven't noticed, it's dark because it's raining. It's monsoon season. But we're going to check out the park because it's just sprinkling and it actually feels really nice. Enjoy this. You're being silly, aren't you? So, Fain Park, we got a little bit of water. You can see we're going to go down and check out. There's a bridge that we can actually walk out onto the water. But this is a picnic park. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, half a dozen picnic tables and shelter to sit under. I don't see any grills, so you got to bring your own stuff. But a nice little park, definitely a family-oriented park to come and just bring some toys or whatever and let the kids play outside. We wanted to get out on this bridge here so we can take some pictures from the water. There's another one way down there. And it also looks like a little fort or something down the way. But unfortunately, the area is closed. That's what that red sign says. Come on. We'll take out this end. Boy, come here. Plaque that's kind of commemorating the National Register. I have no idea what that is. If anybody knows what that is here in Fain Park, give us a comment, because I'd really like to know what that is.
Some kind of statue of a walkie-talkie.
Oh, okay, a walkie-talkie statue.
That's what it looks like to me.
Okay.
So it is.
Come here. Come here. I just wanted to point out, no swimming in this place, but there is fishing that you can see the people over there fishing. Well, we may not get to go see the bridge down on that end, but check this out. You got the dam on the edge of this is a creek. They dammed that up to make that little bit of a lake, if you will. And then down here you can see the actual overflow where the creek would continue. Pretty awesome stuff once again. Careful with that. And seeing the rock. It's just really cool. This is what we love about Arizona in general. It's this. I'm standing in rain, and you know what? I'm happy. This feels great. So this pipe here, I guess they were using to do some mining, and that's what it's showing you on this map. It says the ditch and pipe across the lake were part of the hydraulic mining area. So they used to mine here. That's pretty cool. Good to know.
Can I see?
Yeah, look.
I want to see.
So the last of the Fain Park, if you will, is Chapel of the Valley. You see, it's only open on Sundays from 11 to 3, weather permitting. But I'm going to pull in here just so you can check it out. Apparently this is a historical chapel, which you can see right here. Not a very big one. I'm told by the hotel again that they do weddings and stuff like that here, so it's more of a special occasion chapel. But another neat feature, and when you're at the chapel you get this view, which is awesome. And as we come out of the chapel, you get that view. Oops, sorry. You get that view right there, which is really awesome. This is what Prescott Valley and Prescott, really, both of them, offer. This currently is Prescott Valley. Well, you know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Check back for the next video, and as always, take care. Hey, guess what? It's raining.